Have you ever watched a video online and wondered, is this even real? With deepfakes becoming more convincing by the day, that question is no longer paranoid. It's practical. Deepfake fraud has surged by 1,740% in the US alone, and experts say it's only getting worse. Before we dive deeper into the cutting edge of deepfake detection, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI breakthroughs, and drop a comment with your thoughts. It really helps the channel grow. A new study from Slovakia's University of Esse's Cyril and Methodius may have just tipped the scales in the fight against AI-generated deception. Researchers tested 5 deepfake detection tools against 300 manipulated videos from the Celeb DF V2 dataset. The result? A tool you've probably never heard of, BioID, came out on top with a staggering 98% detection accuracy. BioID is a commercial, browser-based software that offers a simple real or fake answer. But this binary response has its downsides. It doesn't show how confident the tool is in its decision. In contrast, Deepware, which came in second at 93.47% accuracy, gives users a confidence score and is built on a powerful architecture called EfficientNet V7. It was trained on over 120,000 videos from Facebook's Deepfake Detection Challenge. Interestingly, even though Deepware is free, it held its own and surprised the researchers. According to lead author Dr. Miroslav Ovecki, many free tools tend to underperform, but not this one. So why do commercial tools like BioID and Deepware outperform their open-source counterparts? It boils down to investment and access to massive training datasets. These companies can pour resources into developing and refining their tools in ways most open-source projects simply can't match. BioID offers a clean, user-friendly dashboard after a quick registration, while Deepware provides an API and web interface for anyone to try. Their accessibility means everyday users, not just experts, can start verifying videos today. Still, even the most accurate tool is only part of the solution. The field of deepfake detection is constantly shifting. New AI-generated content is being created faster than current detectors can keep up. That's why researchers are exploring hybrid methods that combine spatial and temporal data, essentially analyzing both what you see in each frame and how things change over time. One example is the tool Deepfake, which tries to harness both dimensions of video analysis. This approach could help catch subtle manipulations that single-frame analysis might miss. Beyond the tech, this research has important implications for public policy. With accurate tools in hand, lawmakers, regulators, journalists, and tech platforms have a better chance of fighting misinformation at scale. The study offers real data on which tools are actually effective, a rare and valuable resource in an increasingly confusing digital world. But the battle isn't over. As Dr. Ovecki puts it, the fight against deepfakes is happening in a dynamic field where innovation must be constant to stay ahead. So, the next time you scroll past a suspicious-looking video, know this. The tools to spot a fake are getting sharper, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. Check out the related video in the corner to see how other AI tools are transforming digital safety right now.